Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup of your WhatsApp on POCO F8 Pro. Alright, simply open up your WhatsApp. Once we are here, we need to click on those three dots in the top right corner and now open up the settings. Now find chats, scroll down a little and click on chat backup. Okay, let's begin with Google account. Simply tap. And now we need to choose our account. Currently, in my case, this Google account is selected, and it means that on that account, our backup will be saved and stored. It will be stored in the cloud, to be more precise. So simply, you cannot forget that password because if you want to restart our backup later in the future, you'll need to be signed in into the same Google account that you have selected right now in here. Of course, if you want, you can add another. Down below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option is turned off. As you can see, in my case I put it only monthly, which means that the backup will be automatically made each month and I don't need to do this manually. Pretty convenient thing. So if you want, you can pick between those possible modes on the screen. I'll stick to the monthly. Let's also include the videos on our backup. We can turn it on. And on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. It's not necessary to turn it on. Basically it's an extra security feature, which will allow us to create a unique password that we will need to type in the future in the moment when we want to restore our backup. But be aware that if you create a password and when you forget it, you won't be able to restore your chats. But just like I'm saying, it's not necessary to turn it on. Also, make sure that you have some free Google storage space. And then to create a backup, hit this green button. The process will now begin. In my case, it won't take long because I don't have many messages. In your case, it might take a little bit longer. Alright, we can take a look on the last backup. We can see the hour. It's the same, so it's a confirmation that everything went successfully and our backup has been created. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.